Hello everybody! In the last video we removed the stock exhaust and the cat of the Bonneville Bobber Black Euro 4 version. If you missed that, I'll leave a link in the description below. In this video we will install the hot rod from Massmoto, take some noise level readings and finally give it a spin. Sounds good? Let's get started. Unboxing. Let's see what's in the box. That's nice. We got some key attachments and pencils. That's one pipe. Packaging is pretty solid. So under the bubble wrap there is an additional layer of wrap they sent to. And then, believe it or not, there are two caps. Pretty cool. There is the pipe, probably connecting the left and the right side. And then there is a hopefully assembly guide. Oh, another sheet of paper, important. And fitting instructions, nice. It's not exactly like Lego, but we will make it work. I just unpackaged them for the first time. Aren't they beautiful? I can just assume that these are the bolts for the back and these are the brackets for here. So I don't know if there's left and right. Looks quite symmetrical to me. So we will put the screws to the front so they are nicely reachable. Just loosely so it doesn't fall off anymore. There's this spare out for the sensor. Right, I fixed on everything just loosely. If it doesn't come on, just wiggle it a little bit and start from the scratch and not forcing it and trying to risking to destroy. It's about 3 turns. So half, 1, 2, 1.5, 3. It's a 17, everybody. A 17. Alright, that's tight. Other side. So this is the direction it slots in. So we will give it 3 spins in the other side, other direction. 1, 2, 3. This is tight. That's a 12. These are 10. We will mount them this way. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment especially I, have all been waiting for. These screws are not yet tight, but yeah, we will just try to ignore that. There was some smoke coming out of here, so I don't know if that's just the oil from manufacturing or whether that's bad. And another big fear I had was that there was some warning light going on, but it's not. Let's give it one more shot. It's a little bit alarming, but I don't know what should be the issue. Just a side note, I actually put the nut at the top and the bolt at the bottom, so you can nicely reach the bolt. So I think it only makes sense in one way to use the long screws again for this location, bolting into the other piece, and then with the new provided screws bolting into the original kickstand. And this also follows the shape, so I think this is really the only way it makes sense. This is following the shape and the angle is tilting towards the inside, and now this should be perfectly matching, very close. It just fits. This is not optimal. It still makes contact at two locations, here and here, so I technically have to get a new exhaust. I wonder if I did something wrong, but to me this location makes the most sense because it brings the kickstand down and outside. It's time for the moment of truth, the decibel reading, with the decibel killer in. Please excuse this moment of silence. I simply forgot to turn my microphone on. think the decibel killer is the tiny thing in the end with the one screw going to the lower side, so it should be fairly easy to be removed. We'll see. Before further destroying the screw, it's neither a 4 nor a 5, so I don't know what the heck it is, but I'll just leave it there for now. Alright, let's wrap up here. Please don't be mad I didn't remove the decibel killer in the end. I think the exhaust is loud enough with the decibel killer still in. I really love the sound. Let's see how the officials like it. Please let me know in the comments below if I messed anything up or if you like the sound. And please be sure to subscribe and like if you learned something from this video. I certainly did. Sometimes angle grinding is the only way. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one. Cheers.